Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make pork chops. First, select bone-in pork chops, ideally about 1 1/2 inches thick, for the best results. Thicker chops retain moisture better and are less likely to dry out. Next, it is crucial to thoroughly pat your pork chops dry with paper towels. This step is essential for achieving that beautiful golden brown crust. Finally, season both sides generously with kosher salt and freshly ground black pepper. This simple seasoning enhances the natural flavor of the pork. Now let's get that incredible sear. Place a heavy-bottomed, oven-safe skillet such as cast iron over medium-high heat. Allow it to get very hot, about 3 to 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of a high smoke point oil, like grapeseed or avocado oil, ensuring it coats the pan. Carefully place the seasoned pork chops into the hot skillet. Sear them for 2 to 3 minutes on each side until a rich, deep golden brown crust develops. This creates a flavorful exterior. After searing, it's time to finish cooking in the oven. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer the hot skillet, with the pork chops still inside, directly into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 6 to 10 minutes. The exact time will depend on the thickness of your chops and your oven's calibration. Use an instant read thermometer to check the internal temperature. It should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit for a perfectly cooked, juicy chop. The final, crucial step for incredibly juicy pork chops is resting. Once the chops reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the skillet from the oven. Immediately transfer the pork chops to a clean cutting board. Loosely tent them with aluminum foil. Allow them to rest for a minimum of 5 minutes, and ideally up to 10 minutes. This resting period is vital because it allows the internal juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a tender, moist, and flavorful pork chop every single time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.